Today we will discuss an important topic of English grammar, that is prepositions. Now, what are prepositions? The words which show the relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other word in a sentence is known as preposition. For example, with, on, at, in, of, by, to, into, for, and many more are examples of preposition. Now let's see these sentences. The cat is on the table. The cat is near the table. The cat is by the table. The cat is under the table. Here, the words on, near, by, under, these words are showing the position of the noun, that is cat, and to the word table. They are showing the relationship between the noun and the other word, the cat and table. Where is the cat? The cat might be on the table, near the table, by the table, or under the table. So these words show the position. Now, preposition of time: at, in, and on. At 6 o'clock, at night, at breakfast, at that time. Now here we are talking about the time by the clock, so we use at with that. In September, in the morning, in summers, in 2020. Here we are talking about the months, seasons, or the year, so we use in the sentence. On Sunday, on the 19th of July, on the next day. Here we are talking about day or date, so we use the preposition of time, that is on. Now let's do some examples. My birthday is on the 21st of June. Come to my party at 5 o'clock. In December, it is very cold. Use of in or into. Get into the bus before it starts. There are 40 passengers in the bus. The water is cold in the swimming pool. Jump into the pool. Now here you can see into is showing us the movement, whereas in is used to show the place or the location. Use of for or from. My holiday begins from tomorrow. She will not be going to school from Monday. I watch television from 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock. We use from to speak of the beginning of the period of time. I watch television for 2 hours. She has been absent for 3 days. We are going to Murray for 1 week. We use for to speak of a period of time. Use with or by. I travel by bus to school. I went to Lahore by train. I learnt my poem by heart. I ate your biscuits by mistake. Write with the pencil. He ate with the spoon. My grandfather walks with the stick. Now let's do this exercise using the prepositions on, at, in, of, or from. School is closed on Friday. The bird is sitting on the wall. The dog barked at the thief. Switch off the fan. The lamp is made of wood. My father works at night. I was born in 1983. Write in ink. This letter is from my friend. Hope you have understood the concept of prepositions and use of it in English language, and you will be able to do your homework. Thank you.